don't mind this. I know this is insane. So I'm filming my first mukbang. I don't know what it's really called. Mukbang. And I got a whole bag of Chinese food for myself, and it smells really good. It's kind of heavy too. So actually, I got orange chicken, pork fried rice, not fried rice, 2 spring rolls and 1 egg roll. And this is my favorite Chinese food place out of any Chinese food place. So everything's still warm, and I was just on like kind of a long car ride, and I got it before I left. So here's the fried rice. That's what it looks like. Fried rice. And yes, I have like some pillows here. Because like I don't know how to really position the camera to show everything, so that's a bit better. I feel like it's gonna sink down though as the video goes on. A bag, and I guess this is my spring rolls and my egg roll. I like spring rolls better than egg rolls, but yeah, so spring rolls and the egg rolls in the back. And this is probably my favorite dish from this place, orange chicken. It's in here, it's pretty big. And let's see what it looks like. This actually isn't even on the menu, so I'm guessing that a lot of people know about it. Maybe it has another name, but it isn't even on the menu like at this place. And oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, a bunch of grease just fell out. That's pleasant. And oh, I also got a root beer. And they gave me 2 fortune cookies and some sauce that I don't actually use. So, like, this is what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. And you know what it smells like? Sweet chili heat Doritos. Like, oh my god. Okay. So let's start with an egg roll. I don't know if I've ever had an egg roll from this place, to be quite honest with you. But I've just recently started eating these, so that's what that looks like. Oh my god. I don't know if that looks appetizing or not, but it's like sprouts, and I think there's pork in it, but not bad. And the spring rolls there are really good. I can't say the name of this place because it's like a family-owned business, and I think there's literally only 2 restaurants in the whole world, and they're all like in Canada, and so, you know, I don't really want to like give away that information, if you know what I'm saying. You can probably hear my eating noises. I know some people like them. So, if you don't, well, I guess this video isn't for you then. Okay. Try some orange chicken. Bitch. I'm sorry. I guess I swallowed it too soon or something. Oh yeah, that's like sinking right down. I wonder if I can. I'm just gonna get another box. Because like, I don't know, I feel like I've seen a few mukbang. I really don't want anyone to come in here because this is super embarrassing. Like, so embarrassing. Oh yeah, that should be. I've seen a lot of mukbang videos and like it's, I don't know, it just seems better when the food, like you can actually see it. So, orange chicken, spring roll. I'm sorry, I'm just really happy right now because I haven't eaten in a while. So I was like really hungry, and to eat this, like when you're hungry, it just tastes so much better. Like, I'm gonna fill this. I had this in my room. It had iced tea in it, but literally only like a day old. So that's why this kind of like set up. But move over. I'm gonna open this. Try not to be loud. They are so loud. Oh. I don't like that. And this is really fun to watch. So. Okay. I've got my root beer. Now I'm gonna put this away because if that spills on me, I'm screwed. Alright, let's have a bite of. This is gonna really piss me off. Alright, let's have a bite of fried rice. I don't mind that at all. Very good fried rice. It's really good. So, the reason I was craving this so bad. Get out of here, I'm filming a mukbang video.
What?
Mukbang! I told you about those, remember? Remember we were gonna do one together?
Are you fucking serious?
No,
right
you.
now?
I told you get the fuck out of here. No, I
Okay,
swear
I've
to
got
God.
Money.
Oh. Okay, how much are you willing to give me? Because I paid $30 for this.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah.
You paid $30 for that shit?
Fuck
You know
off.
what? I don't even want to waste my. You know what? Why would I even come in here?
Exactly.
You
Get
know
the
what?
fuck
I
out.
think you're
Close
gonna
my
get-
door.
I think you're
Close
gonna
my
get
door.
fat.
I don't care. That bitch is. I'm so mad. That really irritated me. Siblings. Okay. So I was really craving Chinese food, and my grandma, like, we were just at her grandparents' house, and my grandma was like, okay, when you come home from work, me and my sister, we'll order Chinese food. So we didn't know that we'd be working a little later, so we worked until 10 o'clock at night, which then the Chinese food place closes. And so obviously they had ordered Chinese food, and her and my uncle ate it all and didn't leave any for us. And so, like, obviously we didn't get any. Okay, I don't know if this is supposed to be this way, but that pork is, like, bright red. Like, I've never seen pork that looks like that. But okay. Still tastes good. Oh my god, it's so red. More spring roll. I got a hanger. Put that in there. Oh, this is the best bite, like the end. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna eat until I get full. I probably won't finish everything, but I'm just gonna like touch the screen just to make sure that it knows I'm still here, because I don't know if it's gonna turn off or not. So yeah, but we basically went to our grandparents just for a night because we were asked to work this big event at the resort there where they live and make some money. So we went and we made money, and we're gonna get paid in a couple weeks. But still, I was very disappointed that we didn't get any Chinese food. Not even a fortune cookie. They didn't even leave us a fortune cookie. Like, really? Who does that? Oh yeah, I brought a spoon too, because I remembered that I like eating this with a spoon, not a fork, because you get more and it's easier to eat. I can't believe, like, it was kept warm for like 2 hours in a bag. It's pretty good. It's pretty amazing. I feel like my mom and my sister are laughing at me in the background, like if they can hear me. Like they're totally laughing at me. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to take another bite at this but this is